In today's video, I'll show you how to use the new Microsoft Teams calendar, now powered by Outlook. This update brings a smoother, more connected experience along with new features designed to boost productivity. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a large organization, these tips will help you get the most out of this updated calendar. To begin, sign in your Microsoft Teams account. Once you signed in, go to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options. Click on the calendar icon to open the new Outlook-powered calendar inside Teams. This lets you manage all your meetings, events, and appointments in one place without switching between apps. Once your calendar is open, choose the date for your meeting or event. You can move through the calendar and click on the day you want. This opens a window where you can enter the details for your event. Start by adding a title. Make it clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you have several meetings in one day. For example, you might use titles like Project Review or Marketing Strategy Meeting. Next, invite people to your meeting. Type in their names or email addresses, and Teams will suggest contacts from your list to help you fill this in faster and avoid mistakes. Make sure everyone who needs to attend is included. After you've entered all the details, save the event. You'll see a Save button at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your version of Teams. Clicking Save adds the meeting to your calendar and sends invitations to all participants. As a final tip, after saving your event, you'll see an option to copy the meeting details. This is helpful if you need to paste the information into an email, chat, or document so everyone has the same details. And that's it. That's how to use the new Microsoft Teams calendar powered by Outlook. With this setup, scheduling meetings is faster and easier, giving you more time to focus on what matters most. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.